Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise to ask question 175 of 2015 under my name. The question is forwarded to the Minister of Youth and Sports, and the question reads: Can the Minister inform the House on Fiji's recent participation and performance at the Special Olympics in Los Angeles, USA? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. I give the floor to the Honourable Minister for Youth and Sports.
Madam Speaker, the Honourable Prime Minister, the leader of opposition, members of Parliament. I wish to raise and answer the question raised by the Honourable Chilakuma, which I thank before the House this morning. Yes, the Fijian government was represented at the Special Olympic that took place in Los Angeles in the United States of America from July 24th to 3rd August this year. Fiji sent a 9-member delegation of 3 officials and 6 athletes to the Games. I am pleased to inform this August House that the government, through the Fiji National Sports Commission, paid for the delegation return trip to Los Angeles. Madam Speaker, for the information of the honourable members of Parliament, Fiji participated at these World Games for the first time in history. After its inception in Fiji 2 years ago, as your sports minister, I am proud to inform this August House that the team Fiji returned from Los Angeles with a total of 8 medals, 3 golds, 2 silver, and 3 bronze medals. Madam Speaker, I wish to also inform this House that I took the pleasure of welcoming the delegation returning from Los Angeles, which was led by the Honourable Assistant Minister for Youth and Sports, Mr. Laisenia, at Nandi Airport. They were hosted to a breakfast at Tokotoka Resort on the morning of the 5th August. And Madam Speaker, I also wish to inform the House that the Ministry and its partners, the Fiji Sports Council and the Fiji Sports National Sports Commission, has hosted them for a lunch on the 10th of August, where government also disbursed some funds to the athletes as a recognition of their marvelous achievement. Madam Speaker, I must apologize that it was a low-profile occasion, but the onus was on us to recognize and reward our returning athletes from the World Special Games. Madam Speaker, may I also inform this House that Fiji has been earmarked by the Asia Pacific Special Olympics body to host the Fiji's South Pacific Special Olympic Games in 2015. But there has been an intense lobbying by our Pacific neighbors, Samoa. However, the regional body has Fiji in its sight. So the government recent investment has borne results, and I wish to urge the August House to show their appreciation, especially to our special athletes, the students of Suva Special School and teenagers, who courageously wore our national colors, and as a result, Fiji among the 165 countries and 6,700 athletes that took part in the world's biggest humanitarian event managed to shine and win medals, making their presence known in the greater world of sports inclusiveness. Madam Speaker, as your sports minister, I wouldn't want Fiji to miss out the great opportunity to becoming the first nation, a Pacific nation, to host the first South Pacific Special Olympic Games in 2017. We hosted the first South Pacific Games in 1963, and let us be the first to host these special Olympic Games in recognition of all Fijians with special needs and intellectual disabilities. Madam Speaker, this government will continue to recognize sports as a major vehicle for youth development in Fiji, and will continue to recognize its contribution to Fiji economy, national unity, and social inclusiveness. The government recognizes the impact sports have provided and the variety of opportunities it offers to our young men and women, like employment, sustainable livelihood, and improve their personal lives. Thank you, Madam Speaker. That's all. The answer.